Well, back to Amazon and Google's parent Alphabet. Both of these stocks are sharply lower in the pre-market right now. Amazon had disappointing guidance for the key holiday period. Lauren just talked about that. That was big. Revenue from Alphabet missed the street's estimate. What does the road ahead, though, look like for these two behemoths in the technology sector? Let's bring in David Nelson, chief strategist with Bell Point Asset Management, and technology analyst Ian Wishengrad. Guys, good morning.
Good morning.
David, I want to start with you on just the basics, the fundamentals of what we saw. Let's start with Amazon here. The guidance for the holiday quarter was a little bit concerning. Prime membership, but the web services, always a cash cow for Amazon. There was weakness there, and that seemed to be taking a lot of folks by surprise last night.
Look, Cheryl, the one thing you can't do when you're a growth company is miss on the top line. And even worse in the case of Amazon is guide for a lower estimate in revenue than the street was expecting here. Look, very profitable quarter for Amazon, 580 basis point improvement. But again, like I said, this speaks to a larger issue, this shift out of growth into value stocks right now. Can't miss on the top line. The same for Google. They missed on the top line as well.
Yeah, you know what? Also, there was Ian, there was weakness with Whole Foods. I mean, that was a big, obviously, acquisition for Amazon. There's been weakness with the Whole Foods numbers. And then also the fact that they have been trying to trim shipping costs. They've been trimming headcount, and that still didn't really help the company.
I mean, I look at both of these two companies, and it seems like the entire market rally this year was led by these FANG technology stocks, and it has been so frothy and ridiculous that at some point something needed to correct. So it's not really that big a surprise. They both had tremendous quarters. I appreciate that it didn't meet expectations. Yeah. And since that matters so much, I would be doing the same thing they're doing, and I would just try to keep expectations reasonable for holidays, and then maybe they'll beat them.
Maybe they will, and that's true. And we should also add here, guys, that this is Amazon we're talking about, that at one point had $1 trillion market cap. So we're going to continue to watch Amazon. Now let's move over to the stock that's on our screen right now, and that is Alphabet, the parent company of Google. The stock is down almost 5% on the pre-market. David, to Google, first to you.
Sure.
The worries about regulation with this company are certainly an overhang right now for analysts and investors alike. Is that going to happen in the U.S. or Europe? And they did address it last night.
They're going to have to. And for Google, this is clearly a company with the targets on its back. And this is one of the most dangerous companies on the planet. They touch everything in our lives, your Google Mail, your even that draft email that you didn't send out. Chrome tracks you on the internet, and of course Android devices track you everywhere where you go. So it speaks to a larger issue in technology, and I'm not sure where the loyalties lie. They're certainly not here in the United States. They even violated their own mandate by pulling out of China several years ago. Now they're back in, and censorship seemed to bother them at some point, right. But now they seem unconcerned with it.
But still the concern, too, Ian, is going to be for the future of not just for Alphabet, but also for Facebook, for Twitter, for all these technology companies in the face of mounting pressure to protect user privacy.
That's for sure. But the one thing I want to touch about is that the vast majority of all revenue coming out of Alphabet is their advertising dollars. And what's happening is people usually used to Google search to find the best price on different items. Now over 50% of specific searches are starting at Amazon. Amazon's advertising business is going to skyrocket. People aren't even looking elsewhere to go find products. So they have a huge room to grow and can get bigger than AWS in that sector.
So Amazon hitting it on advertising and doing well. Alphabet and Google actually having a problem. My, have times changed, guys. It's fascinating. We're going to watch both these stocks today. David, Ian, thank you very much for being here.
Thank you.